How to fix GIFs and Giphy's not working on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix if your GIFs are not being loaded. So the first thing I'm going to do here is create a story. And once you create a story, if you want to add stickers or GIFs, you basically tap on the stickers icon and search for anything. So let's just search for a cat. And if you're not able to see GIFs or GIFs, then in that case, what you're going to have to do is go to your home screen, have to open up Google Chrome or any other web browser. On the new tab, you are just going to have to search for giphy.com. And once you open this up, you can just search for whatever you want. I'm just going to search for a cat, hit enter, and then search. And it will show you all of the available GIFs. Now select the one that you want. So let's just select this one, go to GIFs. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. Long press on it, and you're going to have an option to copy this. So tap on the three dots, tap and hold to copy this, tap and copy image, go back to Instagram, and here you'll have an option to paste it. So open up your keyboard, and then you can simply paste it here. So now you've got your GIF, tap on done. If you want, you could also download it as a video and then simply post it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.